Hurricane Francine, one of the most powerful storms to ever hit the United States. Today, we explore the story of this natural disaster and how we can learn from it to stay prepared for future storms. Before we dive into the story of Hurricane Francine, let's understand what a hurricane is. A hurricane is a massive tropical storm that forms over warm ocean waters, creating strong winds, heavy rain, and severe flooding. Hurricane Francine formed in the Atlantic, rapidly intensifying into a Category 4 storm. As it barreled towards the U.S. coastline, meteorologists closely monitored its path. People across the East Coast were urged to prepare for the worst. When Hurricane Francine made landfall, it caused widespread devastation. Thousands of homes were damaged, communities were flooded, and power was knocked out for millions. But in the face of tragedy, there was also resilience. We can't control when or where the next hurricane will strike, but we can prepare. Make sure you have a hurricane plan in place, stock up on emergency supplies, and always listen to evacuation orders. Staying informed can save lives. The story of Hurricane Francine isn't just about destruction. It's also about hope and resilience. Communities came together to rebuild stronger, demonstrating the power of unity in the face of adversity. Hurricane Francine taught us valuable lessons about the power of nature and the strength of communities.